Well, just a few months ago, Dee's family and friends provided testimony at a preliminary hearing where a judge decided Dale would be put on trial for murder even without a body. It was that hearing that we got a glance into Dee and Dale's relationship. Sophia Perricone spoke to victim advocates and has more on this tonight. Sophia.
Kaylee, Dee's daughter described a strained relationship between her mother and Dale. The advocate I spoke to says yelling and arguing is just the start and could be a red flag for more to come. At a preliminary hearing in May, Dee Warner's daughter, Raquel Bach, testified that her mother and Dale Warner's marriage was a tumultuous one.
There was a lot of yelling, there was a lot of cussing, slamming things maybe.
Tina Robinson with Butterflies 15, a center for helping survivors of abuse, says that's one of the many signs to look out for in a toxic or an abusive relationship. What starts out as verbal abuse could escalate further.
An abusive relationship starts from anywhere of verbal, physical, sexual, or financial.
And while we still do not know if Dale abused his wife, according to Raquel's testimony, it was more than just yelling. Dale allegedly placed a tracking device on Dee's car.
Were you aware of him tracking the Hummer?
Yes.
Okay, how are you aware of that?
She showed me the tracking device.
Tina says tracking a partner is both abusive and toxic. She says it shows a desire to have power and control over someone else, which is the root of abuse.
They're going to do everything they can to you to get that power. So with that tracking device, that gave him power over her.
But the most dangerous part of an abusive relationship is trying to leave.
They won't have control over you. They won't have that clutch on you. They won't have that power.
Raquel testified that just weeks before she disappeared, Dee discussed divorcing Dale.
In the months leading up to April, did she talk with you about divorce?
Yes.
And again, I should point out, Dale Warner has not been convicted of any of the charges against him at this time. We reached out to his lawyer, but have not heard back yet. If you're a victim of domestic abuse, there are resources available. You can find those on the links mentioned tab of our website. Kaylee?
Well, this is a story we have been following since the very beginning. You can find all of the stories we have done throughout the years, along with the most recent developments on our website, WTOL.com.